This is a very quick detailing video of how to use the IWIS SN-28B crimpers to crimp a Molex Mini-Fit Junior connector and pins together. You start by taking your 22 gauge wire and stripping about 3/16 off an end. It's a little bit less than I needed. You'll be using the 22 gauge slot for the crimper. Now this is important. There's the dog ears on the end that crimp the insulation onto the wire. You're going to set this in. You're going to pull down. There's a lip that it'll catch. So I'm pulling down till it catches. And then the ratcheting, I'm going to ratchet about 3 times and you'll see that end bow out. You apply pressure because it'll fall out if you don't. You're going to take your wire, you're going to slip it in the hole, trying not to hit anything. And then as you do, you're going to look for the wires to come out the other side. You're just going to see just a little bit of them peek out. And ratchet it down the rest of the way. At this point, the wire is crimped and it is ready to be inserted into the housing. When you look into the housing, you're going to see that there's 2 little slots on the top side. If the catch tab is on the top, there's 2 little slots. And that is for these 2 little dog ears that are over here where my fingernail is at, to go in. So this would go in this way with those little dog ears at the top here to mate into that hole. When you push forward, it'll catch and snap. Do this a couple more times. Here's a cable I'm making. 22 gauge wire, 3/16 or so off the end. That's a little long, but it'll work. First time was a little short. Okay. I usually try to twist these a little bit to keep the wires from fraying as I'm sticking them into the pin. Take your crimp tool. It's about 3 clicks to get it to latch where you need it. And then slip this in, being careful not to collide with the side because that'll fray the wire. Look for the wire to peek through on the other side. Crimp it the rest of the way. Next wire, same deal. Put it in, pull down till it catches. Hold the pin while you're slipping the wire in. Look for the wire to peek through and crimp it the rest of the way. Alright, at this point, it's ready to be inserted. And in my case, I need the red here, black up here, and the yellow here. Each time you insert it, you'll hear it click. It's a very quiet click, but it clicks, and then once it's in, it's in. Once they're in, they're a devil to get out. So be sure of where you want them.